Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the control panel is missing or not working in general on your Windows XP computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start button, select Run, type in gpedit.msc, again gpedit.msc, and select OK. And now, underneath User Configuration, double-click on the Administrative Templates folder, and then select Control Panel. On the right side where it says Prohibit Access to the Control Panel, double-click on it. Make sure it is set to Not Configured, and then you will select Apply and OK. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here, and you will need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.